Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm happy you're here today. Today, we're following Anna on her trip across the United States. She'll check in at the airport, grab some food, deal with a small problem at her hotel, buy tickets, and chat with locals. These conversations are real, natural, and practical. The English you actually hear and use when traveling in America. Each conversation is about 3 minutes, just like real life. So relax, listen carefully, and learn with Anna. Let's start with conversation 1.
Next, please. Hi there. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. I'd like to check in, please.
Sure thing. Can I see your ID and your flight confirmation?
Yes, here you go. It's this one, right?
Yep, perfect. Okay, so you're flying to Chicago today. One way?
Actually, round trip. I'm coming back in 3 days.
Got it. All right. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, 1 suitcase. Is it too heavy? I wasn't sure about the limit.
Let me check. Nope. You're good. It's 48 pounds. The limit is 50.
Oh, thank goodness. I was really worried.
Yeah, happens all the time. People pack everything. Okay, window or aisle seat?
Window, please.
You got it. And do you want to add priority boarding? It's $15 extra.
What's that exactly?
You board first, before everyone else. Less crowded.
No, I think I'm okay. I'm not in a rush.
No problem. All right, you're all set. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 9:45.
B12? Okay, is that far from here?
Not too far. Go straight down this hall, turn left at the food court, and you'll see the signs.
Perfect. Oh, and can I bring this water bottle through security?
If it's empty, yes. If it's full, they'll make you toss it.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks.
No worries. Here's your boarding pass. Have a great flight, Anna.
Thank you. You too. Wait, have a good day.
It's okay. I get that all the time. Safe travels.
Thanks.
Hi, good morning. How's it going?
Morning. I'm good, thanks. Can I get a latte?
Sure. What size? We have tall, grande, or venti.
Oh, what's a grande?
That's a medium. 16 ounces.
Okay, grande, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
You got it. Regular milk, oat milk, almond milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Perfect. Anything else? We've got fresh pastries today.
What do you recommend?
The blueberry muffin is really good. And the egg bites are popular if you want something more filling.
I'll try the egg bites. How much is that?
The bites are $5.25 and the latte is $4.75. So, that'll be $10 even. For here or to go?
To go, please? My flight is in like 40 minutes.
No problem. Name for the order.
Anna.
Cool. Can I get a card or cash?
Card. There you go.
Thanks. Your drink will be ready at the end of the counter in a few minutes.
Great, thank you.
Anna, grande latte for Anna.
Oh, that's me. Thanks.
Here's your egg bites too. Oh, careful, the coffee's hot.
Perfect. Wow, it's so busy in here.
Yeah, mornings are insane. Everyone's rushing to their gate.
I can imagine. Do you work here every day?
Most days, yeah. Early shifts. But hey, free coffee.
That's a good perk. All right, I better go. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. You have a great day. You too.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Riverside Inn. Checking in?
Yes, hi. My name is Anna Brown.
Perfect. Let me pull up your reservation. Okay, here we are. 2 nights, checking out on the 15th?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Can I see your ID? And a credit card for incidentals?
Sure, Pierre Legault. What are incidentals?
Oh, it's just to hold like $50 per night. For room service, minibar, stuff like that. We release it when you check out.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
All right, you're in room 512 on the 5th floor. Here's your key card.
Thank you. Oh, quick question. Is there Wi-Fi?
Yep, it's free. The network is Riverside Guest. And the password is on this little card.
Perfect. And what time is breakfast?
6 to 10 a.m. Right over there in the dining area.
Nice. Oh, one more thing. Do you have an iron? I forgot mine.
We do. Just call the front desk and we'll bring one up to your room.
That's great. Actually, I noticed my reservation says a queen bed, but I requested 2 twin beds.
Oh, let me check. Yeah, it does say queen here. Let me see if we have a room with 2 twins available.
I hope so. I'm traveling with my friend, and she's coming later tonight.
Okay, good news. I can switch you to room 518. Same floor, 2 twin beds.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Here's your new key. Elevators are right behind you.
Great. Oh, and is there a good restaurant nearby?
Yeah, there's a great taco place 2 blocks down on Main Street. Super popular with locals.
Ooh, I love tacos. I'll check it out. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy your stay, Anna.
Thanks. You too. I mean, have a good day.
You too.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket, please.
Sure. How many people?
Just one.
Okay, we have a few options. Standard admission is $32. That includes the elevator ride to the top and the observation deck.
Okay, is there a faster option?
Yeah, we have an express pass for $48. You skip the line. It's usually about a 30-minute wait right now.
30 minutes isn't too bad. Well, I'll just do the standard.
No problem. Do you want to add an audio guide? It's $7 extra.
What does it do exactly?
It's like a little headset. It tells you about the history of the building, the architecture, fun facts, stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, that sounds cool. I'll take it.
Awesome. So that's $32 plus $7. Total is $39.
Perfect. Can I pay with a card?
Yep, no problem. All right, here's your ticket and your audio guide.
Thank you. Where do I go now?
Just head through those doors and follow the signs to the elevator. It's pretty straightforward.
Great. And what time does this close?
Last entry is at 9 p.m. The day closes at 10.
Okay, cool. Oh, one more thing. Can I take pictures up there?
Absolutely. Just no flash photography inside the exhibits.
Got it. And are there bathrooms up there?
Yep, on every floor.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the view. It's beautiful today.
I'm so excited. Thanks.
Hey, do you want me to take a picture for you?
Oh, really? Yes, please. That would be great.
No problem. Just stand right there. Okay, ready? Smile.
Thank you so much. Oh, wow. It looks amazing.
Yeah, the lighting's perfect right now. Golden hour, you know?
Totally. Are you a photographer?
Just a hobby. I love taking pictures when I travel.
Nice. So, are you from around here?
Nope, I'm from California. Just visiting for the weekend. You?
I'm from Texas. Also, just a short trip.
Cool. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, first time. What about you?
Third time, actually. I keep coming back. I love this city.
Wow, so you must know all the good spots.
I know a few. Have you eaten yet?
Not really. I just had some snacks on the plane.
Okay, so there's this amazing pizza place, like 2 blocks from here. Best deep dish pizza. You have to try it.
Ooh, I love pizza. What's it called?
It's called Rossi's. Just walk down Main Street and turn left at the blue building. You'll see it.
Perfect. I'll definitely go. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Oh, and if you like coffee, there's a great little cafe near the river. Super cozy.
I do love coffee. This city sounds awesome.
It really is. How long are you staying?
Just 2 days, unfortunately. I wish I had more time. Oh.
Yeah, 2 days goes by fast, but you can still see a lot.
I hope so. Do you have any other recommendations?
If you have time tomorrow, check out the Art Museum. It's free on Sundays.
Oh, really? That's great. I love museums.
Yeah, it's really good. And not too crowded in the morning.
I'll add it to my list. Thanks so much.
Anytime. Well, I should probably get going. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks. You too. Maybe I'll see you around.
Maybe. Have a great time in the city.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
And that's it for today's lesson. Great job, my friend. You just learned 5 real travel conversations, checking in at the airport, ordering food, handling a small hotel issue, buying tickets, and making small talk with another traveler. These are simple, natural phrases you can use on your next trip, anywhere in the English-speaking world. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which conversation was the most useful for you? Thanks for learning with Real Talk English. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.